Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to synthesize cellulose nitrate, also known as gun cotton. Check this out. To synthesize cellulose nitrate, I'm using 50 milliliters of 18 molar sulfuric acid. I'm using 50 milliliters of 14 molar nitric acid, and I'm going to mix that with cotton balls in a 200 milliliter beaker, and then I'm going to wash it in distilled water, and I'm going to neutralize it with baking soda. To begin, remember to add your nitric acid first, and then add your sulfuric acid, equal ratio of both sulfuric acid and nitric acid, and slowly stir the two together. This will increase the temperature greatly. Next, add your cotton balls to the nitrating mixture. Make sure that your cotton balls are completely soaked and leave them in the solution for 45 minutes. You'll notice it starts to heat up. Okay, once your cellulose has been fully nitrated, you're ready to take it out and wash it in distilled water. And after that, you're gonna neutralize it. After the cotton has been washed, we're gonna stir in some baking soda just to neutralize everything. Once the cellulose is completely neutralized, you take it out and squeeze out your cotton so there's as little water in it as possible. And then we're gonna put it in our desiccator so it can completely dry out. So you want it to be nice and dry. So I put some fresh desiccant in my desiccator. I'm gonna put it in there for a couple days until it is completely dry. And then we'll test it. Okay, so let's try to see if we can ignite a piece of our nitrocellulose that we made just by heating up the tip of a glass stir rod. Just gonna warm this up a little bit. Well, I'm just gonna touch the corner of it. Oh! No residue. Isn't that amazing? No residue. So let's look at the equation for creating nitrocellulose. So what's happening here is you have 3 moles of nitronium ions that nitrate 1 mole of cellulose to create 1 mole of nitrocellulose. The only reason that we use sulfuric acid as a catalyst and a dehydrating agent is because the nitric acid is only 60%. The rest of it's water. And so you really need sulfuric acid to work as a dehydrating agent for this reaction. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.